Alright, here we are again today. Beautiful day again. Take off, do a little ride here. Go down some more gravel roads, back road adventuring. I'm John. And again, I'm on my xr650l. Just out tooling around the gravel roads. I'd love to hear your comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on the old xr650. If you've ever owned one, rode one, thought about one, have one, wish you had another one. I like to talk about bikes. Bikes are my drug of choice. We're going to be riding into the back of Lick Branch on Osage River. At times you may see the water, at times you may not. I'd like to know what kind of content you folks would like to see with this bike. I just had a blade out here recently. Alright, we'll go down this old Brook Ridge Road. This is the very back of Lick Branch that we're at now. I like driving around the water's edge. I enjoy the view. This whole camera moving around is monotonous. I'll figure out some kind of different mount to put on here, because this one ain't working. Kind of curious what your thoughts are on the old GoPro footage too. And I've got a few videos on my playlist that are labeled GoPro 12. You might want to watch them. I've got a playlist of xr650l videos. I also have a playlist of my xr250l playlist. And I believe I only have one video of my Harley ride. Well, right now I've got my Harley up at my son's house in his garage, kind of taking the old winter nap. Once the rain comes and gets all the crud off the road,